The COVID-19 pandemic gave us a world split economically. One world operating in reverse due to pandemic shutdowns and inflation causing government spending. The other world in this post-pandemic universe is a world of broken supply chains, shortages, and disruptions. But opportunities still exist, and when we needed it the most, today's pre-pandemic era crypto failed and the crypto markets crashed. As the inventors of peer-to-peer security token technology, used by today's crypto, we knew the world needed a 22nd century digital money, so we invented AIDM. Unlike pre-pandemic tokens created from thin air and whose value can disappear in an instant. AIDM is a token type. The AIDM system creates unique and independent AIDM tokens for individual businesses, using a diverse pool of assets. This lowers risk, creating a diverse and decentralized, durable pool of digital monies linked through our cooperative exchange system. People buy these absolute value, interest-earning AIDM tokens from the exchanges and earn wealth from this 22nd century digital money while avoiding deflationary currencies. An AIDM token can be used for daily purchases through existing payment platforms, such as Visa or Tap to Pay. AIDM is a creation decentralized, absolute value, asset-backed interest-earning digital money. Through this 22nd century, diversified risk, digital money, our system unites communities and empowers them to build a brighter future. For more information, go to pegisai.com. Together we can build a better tomorrow.